YouTube, y'all already know it is a great day to be different. It is a great day to be different, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna show you guys how to be different. We got a high taper on a waver, and yes sir, we're gonna get right into it. First thing we do with any haircut, we're gonna comb, brush, lay it down, make sure that we can see the hair, make sure the hair comes up off the scalp, so whenever we apply that clipper onto the scalp, it's gonna be able to feed through the hair. So we're gonna brush it in the direction that it grows, or in the direction that he brushes it, and then we're gonna hit him with some wavelength, because obviously he got waves. So we're gonna go with the one guard all the way open. It's gonna give you that 1.5 look. Gonna keep it dark, but also keep the waves in there. It's gonna lay it down nice and smooth. And yes sir, we're gonna go crazy on this one. Y'all gonna like this one. We're going with the grain. I usually start where the cowlick is in the center of the head, because I can see the exact growth pattern of the hair. So as you saw, I started right in the beginning in the back, right where the cowlick is, and we went wherever the hair took me. Make sure you go all the way through the front edge up, because you need that hair to lay down. It's gonna help when it comes to the lineup. Just keeping the waves in there. My boy's spinning. We're gonna go straight into the haircut, straight into the fade. So bald line, first guideline. We're gonna walk it straight across. He likes to keep his sideburns long and skinny, so when I'm in the process of fading, I like to keep the sideburns and attack those first. That way we can get a good idea of exactly what they're gonna look like. Yes sir, we're just gonna notch that out. Hit it with some pencil for some contour. Then we're gonna move on to the fade again. No guard all the way open. We're gonna go up about 1 inch. Then we're gonna snap on that one guard second notch. We're gonna go up about another inch. And as you saw, kept that one guard on. We're gonna open it and we're detailing from here. It's nothing but detail work from here. We use that one guard all the way open to knock down the bulk. So we're not gonna go any higher than a 1.5. There's no need to. We're gonna throw that half guard on, second notch, using that claw method. And this is gonna allow me to debulk and blend, especially behind the ear. This just lays the hair down so much better. I don't know why. I can't tell you the math behind it, but it works. So then we're gonna go on with the no guard, and we're detailing. Start off close, knock out that bald line. The higher you go up, the more you want to open your lever. Mid, open, but we're using nothing but our corners right here. There's nothing but detail work throughout the rest of this fade on this side. After we set those guidelines in, we're just detailing the rest of it out. As you can see, it's coming together already. Using nothing but your corners, attacking the dark spots. Hit, brush, hit, brush. That brush is so important, very, very important. You got to keep the hair laying down at all times, especially with a waver, because as soon as you knock it, you'll knock one of them waves out, and you be like, oh, I just messed up. But then you hit it with that brush, and the wave pop right back in there. So we're gonna hit the dark spots. We're gonna detail our way out of this. High ball taper, and yes sir, it's gonna come together real nice and smooth. We're prepping for the edge up right here. We're gonna throw some hair holder on there, brush it in, hit them with the blow dryer to make sure it freezes and it holds, make sure it dries. That way whenever we come and line them up later on, after completing both sides and the back, the edge up will be ready to go and it should melt right off. Here goes the back taper. I'm gonna let you guys have it. Also got the side taper as well. But we'll be back when it's time for the edge up. All right, we're back for the edge up. As you can see right there, we're gonna start right in the middle. We're gonna walk it to the left side. Make sure it's nice and straight. Tapping and going. And then we're gonna walk it to the right to get it to match the left. Hit the vertical bar. He's got a really small vertical bar, so I switched trimmers right here to use that small Stylecraft blade. Hit it with some pencil for some contour. Attack the other vertical bar, sweeping off any excessive hair. Hit him with the pencil for some contour. And then we're gonna move straight into the enhancement process. We're attacking the light spots right here, wherever it is light at. Not over applying. We're continuing to move the nozzle, sweeping, tapping the trigger, making sure it's not cakey or runny in any part of the edge up. Then we're gonna hit them with the hairspray, as you can see right there, and we're gonna throw on some dark dry fibers right behind it. Now the dry fibers just allows me to get rid of that shiny look from the wet stuff, so it makes for a better look for me. So we're gonna hit it with the hot sauce after that. This allows me to push that pencil over, as you can see right there. Clean up any excessive overspray of the enhancements of the wet or the dry, and clean up the edge up, man. Makes it pop a little bit more. As you guys see, that angle right there is crazy. Hit him with that razor blade, man. That angle is crazy. Sheesh. Same thing over here on this side. We're just making them toothpicks pop just a little bit more. And man, that fades in there. It's a different ball game when the enhancement's dry, man. Absolutely different. Waves is popping, edge up is popping. Clean. Always stretching the skin. We don't want to irritate, cut, nick anything of the client's face, especially. Very sensitive spots. Clean them up, wipe them down. And you guys remember what he came in looking like. I know you guys remember. I know you guys remember, but he came to be different. That boy came to be different. Sheesh. He looks like he cared about himself again. Shout out to my boy Trey. Highball Taper. Appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Whatever you got to do to keep me on your timeline. We out. Peace.